In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add debit card to TikTok. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to manage all of the payment methods currently attributed to your TikTok account and add new ones, including a debit card. All that you have to do is visit your profile and tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Immediately upon tapping on these three lines, you will be able to go over to Settings and Privacy, where you can manage a lot of stuff related to your account. Now, what you have to do in here is go over to the balance or payments category. So for me, it is listed here as balance, but for you, this might say something like payments. Just make sure that you go over to the option to manage payments and the balance that you have on TikTok on your account. Now in here, you will be able to see the amount of coins that you have and also the live rewards. There are two ways to add a debit card to TikTok. First, if you go over to the option to acquire coins, so you tap on coins and then you tap to buy coins and you choose the recharge option, Google Play is going to appear, of course, because I am on Android. If you are on an iOS device, this might be different, but what I'm trying to say is that you will be able to use the payment method listed on your account. So for me, listed on my Google Play account, I'll be able to link my debit card and get this process done. So all that you would have to do here is choose the option to pay with a debit card through Google Pay or the App Store and then finish making this purchase. Alternatively, if you go over to the live rewards, if you have rewards accumulated here, you can exchange it for coins, and after you exchange this, you will be able to withdraw them. Now, it is a process that also allows you to add something like a PayPal account or a debit card directly, and as long as you are able to add the payment method to either PayPal or TikTok directly, you will be able to link the debit card here using the card number, expiration date, and security code. I hope I was able to help you on how to add debit card to TikTok. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.